Welcome to a pivotal moment in Zimbabwe's financial narrative, the introduction of a new currency, ZiG. This digital currency, backed by gold, represents the government's strategy to stabilize the economy and control rampant inflation. The launch of ZiG has sparked significant interest, both domestically and internationally, following years of economic turmoil and hyperinflation that severely devalued the local currency and eroded public trust in the financial system. The government is hopeful that ZiG will restore confidence and mark a new chapter in Zimbabwe's economic journey. However, the success of this initiative and its potential to reshape the country's financial landscape remains to be seen. Only time will tell if ZiG will achieve its intended goals. The Zimbabwean government is actively promoting ZiG as a stable and reliable currency, claiming it will shield its people from inflation, with the gold backing providing a layer of security. Citizens, weary from economic hardship, are hopeful yet skeptical. They crave a currency they can trust, but memories of past unfulfilled government promises linger, raising doubts about whether ZiG will indeed be different. Concerns about transparency and the true backing of ZiG are prevalent. The government faces a critical challenge. To build trust, they must be open about ZiG's operations, clearly explain the gold backing, and perhaps even conduct independent audits. Additionally, comprehensive public education on how to use ZiG is essential to foster confidence in its value. The origins of ZiG are somewhat enigmatic, with various narratives contributing to its creation. The government portrays ZiG as a national initiative, a homegrown solution tailored to meet Zimbabwe's unique economic challenges and to underscore its economic independence. However, the influence of external digital currency models is undeniable, suggesting that ZiG is not entirely unique and may involve external support or inspiration. This raises questions about the true ownership and control of ZiG. For greater credibility, the government should acknowledge any external collaboration and be transparent about these influences. Such openness could enhance trust and show a willingness to learn from global advancements. For ZiG to succeed, public trust is paramount. People need to believe in the currency and feel confident in its operations. However, the government's current narrative lacks clarity, particularly regarding the operations and the specifics of the gold backing. The absence of detailed information on where the gold is stored, how it is audited, and the exact mechanisms of the gold backing fuels public skepticism and distrust. To address these concerns, the government must provide detailed, transparent information about ZiG, including the location and quantity of gold reserves and allowing for independent audits. Only through such transparency can confidence be built, encouraging wider adoption of ZiG.